Here is a list and explanation of 10 ways to use ChatGPT for keyword research for content and SEO. ChatGPT is unquestionably an intriguing application. It uses AI to carry out writing tasks like improving blog content, keyword research, and following instructions. SEO can now take advantage of this. Marketers should know the ways to use ChatGPT's output as a starting point for SEO due to its unparalleled quality and efficiency. There are several factors to take into consideration when maximizing the potential of such a powerful AI-driven instrument. In the first place, it's fundamental to consider whether such methodologies are inside web search tool rules and acknowledged calculations. They generally are. Articles that do not rely on automation and maintain their diversity would be another requirement. Think about how much of the content produced by ChatGPT can be used before humans need to make changes, and ChatGPT for keyword research can be used. Leaving aside all of the factors, ChatGPT promises a new SEO future. One that avoids the arduous manual labor involved in content marketing and produces accurate results. Help come up with ideas for blog posts. Foster thoughts for blog article subjects by utilizing the inquiry strategy. This is accomplished by entering the phrase, "What are the top 10 most frequently asked questions about X?" into ChatGPT, where X denotes the subject of your choice. Doing this will give you a lot of blog article thoughts, as brands will probably have proactively tended to a considerable lot of these regularly sought clarification on some pressing issues. Even if you don't use all of their responses, it can give you a good starting point from which to build your ideas. Write blog post outlines. Even though it can't supplant content investigating programs like ClearScope, Market Dream, or Content Congruity, ChatGPT gives a phenomenal establishment to making powerful layouts that kick off the whole interaction. Help yourself by paraphrasing. Do you ever have trouble remembering exactly which word or phrase would complete your sentence? You won't be alone. The worst kind of writer's block can occur for a variety of reasons. Fortunately, there is a novel strategy for overcoming these periods of mental exhaustion. Creating content blocks, meta tags, and subsections. Giving specific prompts regarding the kind of content you want to produce is essential if you want to get the most out of ChatGPT. You can increase your chances of getting the right results and reduce the amount of clutter by providing examples or a sample paragraph of the kind of writing you want it to mimic. Additionally, limiting ChatGPT's content output will facilitate the creation of concise and meaningful text blocks. Keyword exploration and content clustering. Keyword research and content clustering are essential components of any SEO strategy for maximizing your site's impact. By clustering content around keywords and related topics, content clustering makes content easier to manage. It's also important to research the right keywords if you want to reach a specific audience and get more people to visit your website. Content editing and rewriting. Using a tool to rewrite and edit content can save a life. ChatGPT aids in the rapid revision and editing of articles, essays, and other writing. This automated process helps you refine your language without using the wrong words by identifying typos and syntax errors. Reducing paragraph length. ChatGPT can break up longer paragraphs into shorter ones that are easier to read and process thanks to its advanced AI-powered tools. Because of this, it works well for texts like blog posts, web pages, and other forms of digital writing that want to grab the attention of the reader with short, easy-to-read chunks of information. Making infographics and data visuals. Making information perceptions and infographics is one of the most incredible ways of passing on complex data rapidly. Sadly, many of the available tools necessitate manual data entry and a certain level of design expertise. ChatGPT can locate statistics associated with any query, extract relevant statistics, and render them as images. Assistant at outreach. For brands trying to boost influence with their substance advancement exercises, ChatGPT gives an optimal arrangement of apparatuses to further develop promoting endeavors. The tool quickly creates lists of interesting and relevant subjects for the intended audiences. Additionally, it creates messages that are tailored specifically to each outlet. Assemble a rundown of details. Researchers looking to quickly generate a list of statistics may benefit from AI tools like ChatGPT. The result from these instruments isn't generally dependable and ought to be truly looked at by a human. Nonetheless, the arrangements of insights produced by these instruments can assist guide with further exploring the subject in question.